Hi, my name is Robin and I would like to talk to you about something you may find important. Are you one of the millions of people, like me, who live with invisible disabilities like PTSD, fibromyalgia syndrome, CFS and chronic pain? Or, do you know someone who does? Many people with these conditions struggle to maintain full-time or even part-time employment. And treatments, both medical and complementary, cost a lot of money out of pocket, as most insurance companies don't cover them. Stress, especially regarding finances, relationships and situations that we cannot control or manage like this global pandemic, just to name a few, can set forth a chain of reactions that can have us in bed for days, popping painkillers like candy and doing whatever we can to reduce the increased internal heat of a fibro flare that can last for hours, days or even months. Stress and fear of not having enough money for bills and expenses are all huge contributing factors to these conditions. The CDC estimates that as many as 17 to 24 million people worldwide have CFS and that fibromyalgia has a worldwide presence affecting nearly 1 in 20 people globally, while chronic pain affects at least 10% of the world's population, approximately 60 million people, and that 1 in 10 people will develop chronic pain every year worldwide. What if I told you there is help, that it will build a legal business for you to earn a monthly residual income, and that it is a fully automated system, 100% hands-free so that you can help yourself and help others? Would you want to know more? We have something special. A global company, registered in the USA, that will change your life forever. It's called Onpassive. To get more information about how Onpassive can help you change your financial situation into a more positive one, please contact me today. Robin L. Noble.